to another episode of the Jarring Science Club. I'm your host, Brenda, and today we're going to be learning about where you can find water on the Earth and the types of water that are found on the Earth. Here's what you need to complete this experiment. All right, let's get started. Here we are up close, and now we're going to be making a model of the water cycle inside of our jar. The first thing you're going to need to do is put the soil in the bottom. Next, add in your vegetation. If you like, instead of using fake plants like I'm using, you can actually use real plants. You can actually have it grow in its own ecosystem. Next, add your water. You can see at first that the water sinks all the way into the ground and becomes groundwater, but over time, it's going to start the water cycle process. Put your lid tightly on the jar and put your jar in a sunny window. Wait a few days and see what happens inside your jar. Over a period of a few days, you'll start to see condensation form on the top, water droplets up here that will eventually run down the sides of the jar and return back to groundwater, repeating the water cycle in your jar. You can even add a piece of ice in here to show how ice melts slowly over time and also contributes to the water cycle.